Okay, so let's say you want to learn how to factor. So let's say you've done a product rule problem and your answer is, let's do 12x squared and then 3x to the fifth minus 1 to the fourth, and then plus, let's say it's 4x cubed and 3x to the fifth minus 1 to the third. All right, so what I'm saying is this is the answer you got to a product rule problem. All right, so you've done all the work, you've done the product rule, and now you want to factor. All right, so the way you do that is you go term by term and you see what things are divisible by. So for example, I've got term 1 and I've got term 2. And the first thing I see on both of them are these coefficients, 12 and 4. So I think to myself, what are 12 and 4 both divisible by? Well, they're both divisible by 4. So I bring the 4 out front. Now I'm going to make a note to myself as to what I have left there. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. The next term I have is x squared and x cubed. I say, okay, what are both of those divisible by? They're both divisible by x squared. So again, note to self, if I divide x squared by x squared, I just have 1. And x cubed divided by x squared would be just x. Then I look at my binomial terms. Got 3x to the fifth minus 1 to the fourth and to the third, which means I can take 3x to the fifth minus 1 to the third away from both, which leaves me with one of these and none of these. So then here's what I have when all is said and done. In my first term, I have 3 times 3x to the fifth minus 1 done. Plus, all I have left in this term is 1x. And then my final step would just be to distribute. So I get 9x to the fifth minus 3 plus 1x. And I simplify that. So I'll just put it in standard form. My coefficients stay. And that's my final factored form. Okay? Take it if you're ready. If you're not, work on your formative. Thanks.